12.4 Normal Distribution Part 1. Let's suppose we have a set of test scores that are normally distributed. We'll talk more about that in a bit. That have a mean of 75, that's average, and a standard deviation of 6. So we made our table, went through the calculations. Find a test score that is one standard deviation above the mean, one that is 2.5 standard deviations above the mean, and one that is 1.5 standard deviations below the mean. We're going to, for a lot of the problems we do in this section, we're going to draw a normal distribution like this with a mean right in the middle. And then what we're going to do is count off by standard deviations. So most of the problems in this section correspond to a process like that. So 75 is in the middle, standard deviation is 6. We're going to count off by 6. So 75 plus 6 is 81. 81 plus 6 is 87, and then 93. Now we're going to go the other way. 75 minus 6 is 69, 63, 57. Well, guess what? This is one standard deviation above the mean. This is 2 standard deviations above the mean. This is one below. You can call that -1, -2, -3. And so now we're going to use that diagram to answer this question. One standard deviation above the mean, that's right here, and that's 81. 2.5, that's a little bit tricky. This is 3, halfway between 87 and 93. Well, you can probably eyeball it, or you can 87 plus 93 over 2, it ends up giving you 90. Okay, 1.5 standard deviations below, well, below is this way. That's halfway between here, halfway between 63 and 69. If these were odd decimals, you'd probably want this procedure. And this ends up being 66. Okay, that's all there is for this video. We'll be back with another short video, and we'll pick through the normal distribution bit by bit.